What it do is the body cam of Lul Tim right here, guys. Lul Tim was the guy who shot King Vaughn. He's part of the Quando Rondo camp. We young boy. About to watch the body cam. Y'all like, comment, subscribe to the video. It's your boy Jay Reed. Press that bell button. We are in here. Let's go.
That's my ID.
Okay. Mr. Leaks, is that the correct address? Okay. Can you go ahead and take your seatbelt off and step out of the car for me, sir? Face the vehicle for me. Mr. Leaks, do you have anything on you?
Tell you to step out the car. That's already looking ugly right now. I'm gonna tell you to get out that car. They about to put you in the back of that cop car.
So right now, you're being detained, okay? You're not under arrest.
Pretty sure we got gunshots up there.
You're just being detained right now, okay?
Central. Waiting for shots about to pop up.
Okay, detaining me.
Why don't these guys be having no license, man? I don't understand. Why don't these guys have a goddamn license?
You got anything on your person? Put your free for me, bud.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Goddamn, guys.
Can you go ahead and have a seat? Like I said, Mr. Leaks, you're just being detained right now. Okay, the only reason why I handcuff people with the odor of marijuana is because I got in a serious fight over weed, okay? Because I did not handcuff.
Oh, damn.
So after that, I learned my lesson with it, okay? That's the whole reason for it, okay? If it's less than less than an ounce, dude, you're going to get cited and be on your way, okay? Unfortunately, you cannot have a firearm with controlled substance, okay? Marijuana is considered still a controlled substance, okay? So we're going to be taking the gun.
No, but I don't have no marijuana though.
Huh?
I don't have any.
Well, I smell the odor of marijuana.
No, I know. I smoke, but I don't have any on me.
Okay.
I don't drive. I don't drive and smoke. Like I smoke before I do all that stuff. I smoke earlier, so that's why I smell like weed.
Okay. That's fair enough. I appreciate the honesty.
We about to find out right now. He about to search that car. He gonna tear that bitch up.
Any of you have a firearm or anything like that?
Nah,
Guys, if you gonna smoke, stop. God damn it, smoke smelling like weed. I don't give a damn. Change your damn clothes, put some cologne on, do something. Stop smoking smelling like weed when you reek like weed. You giving them probable cause. Even if you ain't got no weed in there, they gonna tear that bitch up. They gonna tell you to step out because you smell like weed. It's like alcohol on your breath. Gotta be move safe. Gotta move smarter, man.
you know, stuff just happen. Like you never know.
Okay.
Just be on the safe side.
I gotcha. Go ahead and see. Can you go ahead and start running him?
Possible 1055. Your information with it. If a man really hated...
He is about to tear that bitch up. He about to ransack that motherfucking car. Ooh, boy. What y'all guys gonna learn? Smoking weed with the 10 windows, driving fast, not a good deal. And driving without a license. What the hell?
We can go to Charlie 7.
Alpha 7. Charlie 7.
Sarge, you on Charlie 7? Hey, what were we looking at Timothy leaks for?
I think it was just affiliation and possibly such that.
God damn, that motherfucker got a junky ass car. Let's see if we got some weed on him. Homeboy Quando already got busted for selling weed.
Probably 8 months or more ago.
God damn. Trying to find something, boy. He trying to catch him with something. Man, you already killed King Von. You've been shot at multiple times. I don't blame the kid with that ratchet. Get caught with it. Ready to get caught without it and get caught lacking. So, get caught. Motherfucker catch you out there. So, just gotta move smarter though, man. Be safe with that shit, bro. Please, guys, be careful. I mean, I would see why you have a gun. He's already been shot at. You don't know who out to get him. Shit. It ain't too far after goddamn he killed King Von, so.
No, you're good. Okay. Yeah, you're good. As long as you're good.
Well, the cop seemed pretty decent, like a decent guy. Good boy.
47 years, the plan is going to be a juvenile calling on the mother.
Oh shit, they found a pistol. God damn it. Got a pistol. See a gun. God damn it, they got a gun. Oh boy. This ain't good right here. This ain't good, look. Got the pistols. I wonder what they blocking out. They must be talking about his personal information or something.
My neighbor Brian was like...
Oh boy, they got the Glock.
Searching my camera. Shut off.
lot of shit in his bag. That's some J's. Man, ain't no damn way. Oh, they got to tear that bitch up. Damn, he searching his shit like he Pablo Escobar or some shit. You already got the gun. I wonder what they pull his ass over for. And he driving while black must be. Yeah, he's looking in the hole, all type of shit, bro. Searching all that type of shit. Guys, please stop smoking in your fucking car. This is what the cops gonna do to you guys. when they pull you over and smell the odor of weed in your car, they gonna ransack. They gonna search that bitch up and down.
Black male in all black with masks on. Here at the location where they took the car. With your CrossFit.
Man, I don't see why he shouldn't have a gun. I mean, he's not a felon. I don't believe so.
Mechanic shop.
Camry.
Yeah, lock it there, get your good.
Yes.
Step up out here.
Alpha 6.
Hey, CS52, my guys, Precinct 5. Get up to Costin Bluff, get over to Charlie 7. CRT is going to be out with 3 potential 8 code 4 suspects over there at that auto shop that they stole those 7 cars from.
All black, they look younger. They got black hair.
Just has several felony charges, 3 minutes, but not convicted of anything. Has he been indicted or on probation or anything? He's on bond. For felony charges? I'll have to double check because the last thing it shows on Phoenix is that he was released on bond. That was like 2 years ago.
That's what I'm saying though, like,
Just watch the,
is he on bond or because if he ain't no felon, he can have a weapon. I mean, I know in domestic charges they tell you can't have your weapon till the case is resolved, but I don't know. I don't think he's a felon though.
Part of his bond conditions can't have a firearm.
Oh, it's part of his bond condition. Damn. Holy. Damn, he's fucked, boy. He is fucked. Part of his bond condition not to have a weapon. Damn. That ain't good. Well, you gotta take that ride downtown, bro. All could have been prevented if he didn't have smell like weed, boy. Damn, bro. Stop smoking in your cars, bro. Boy, oh boy. Sad case right here. Sad. This is awful.
You can release him.
They let him go? Hey, I like this right here. Some cool shit. Look like he getting out, going home today. Hey, what Denzel say? You want to go to jail? You want to go home? Well, at least he get to go home. So at least he ain't got to go to jail tonight. The county. So that's a plus. Boy, that was a close one right there. They took the weapon from him.
Did he explain it to you?
Yeah,
Okay. Mr. Leaks, I'm seizing your firearm because you're still on bond. Okay. Under your bond conditions and you cannot have a firearm. Okay. So I am seizing your firearm. Does that firearm belong to you or does it belong to somebody else?
It's my friend.
It's your friend's? Okay. So whenever your friend, whenever it gets released, he's got to bring the paperwork of original purchase or the proof of ownership for that Glock, okay? I ain't going to hit you up for the failure to yield for the green light, okay? Have a safe night, okay?
Well, he got away with this one. That's cool.
Question, Mr. Leaks?
How would he know when it's released?
Do you have your friend's name? I'm not actually going to need all that stuff because he's the owner.
I don't know.
Shit.
I have a friend and stuff, but I was gonna ask.
Well, at least he get to go home. Shit, that's a plus. He ain't got to go to jail tonight, so he got by with this one. They just, ooh.
Can you pull a case report number? I did.
Look, that gun. I would have been in that man's face. As soon as he gave me my license and shit back, I'm getting the fuck out of there. I'm tearing out, boy. That's the other thing, guys. You do not just want to be talking and prolonging talking to cops.
Case report number?
When they say you free to go, get the fuck out of Dodge.
And they'll be able to set all that up with him. Does that work?
Yeah. I appreciate that.
Yeah.
Well, it looks like that's the end of that right there. He's free, man. Hey, shout out to that cop. Let him go. He would have got to go down for having that gun on him out on bond.
What? That green light? Yeah. Failure to you? Man.
I told my friend I was on the phone. I was like, I might get green light.
I just thought it was something else.
Well, most likely they probably gonna search that gun and see if it got bodies on that shit, and see if that gun is connected to crimes.
Scheduled to pick up this firearm when it's
They might do that shit. I don't know, but they might do some shit like that. See if it's been stolen or connected to a shooting or some shit.
Well, right. It's all his friend to get his gun back.
Alright, man, so right up here, that's that case report number, okay? That's what he's going to need to use, okay? My information is below that. Have you ever seen one of these before? You know what you're doing with it? Okay, you know where the property room is to let your friend know, or
I don't know, but I can find out.
can you find out? Okay,
Shit, that's sweet right there. They let him off, man, light. And the cop said, I ain't even gonna write you nothing for that yelling through a yoke ring, so gave him a plus right there. So shit. Shout out to the cops right there. There's some cool ass cops. They weren't doing too much.
I always know.
Man, y'all like, comment, subscribe to the video. It's your boy Jay Reed. I'm out of here.